everything is done through communications. And communication is often worded, phrased, articulated in a way which would fall nicely, appropriately, acceptable, legitimate for the people who are hearing it.
ललकारा तकदीर का नारा सुलगा कर हक की शमशीर को लहरा कर.
India was investing a lot of money in strategically developing a communication with the rest of the world, especially the Western world, where it was putting Pakistan in a bad light as a country which is unstable, which is economically weak, and then it is a perpetrator of terrorism. This is what they were building against Pakistan. So India has a history of destabilizing its neighbors. अब उनके आप National Security Advisor को सुने, Ajit Doval साहब, he clearly talks about destabilizing Pakistan. He clearly talks about destabilizing Balochistan and KPK. It is not Pakistan, it is India who is aligned with terrorists. And now you see, they have been destabilizing Bangladesh, they have been destabilizing Nepal, and so on.
सुन ले तू जो हमसे कभी टकराएगा, मेरा इश्क तुझे खा जाएगा, मेरा पीर जवाब बतलाएगा.
Narrative is the substance, the content that you have created. And strategic communication is the means and methods of dissemination of that content. क्या narrative के अंदर से जो कमजोरियां होती हैं वो को counter narrative develop करने में help करती हैं. Counter development जो होती narrative की वो होती है on the basis of your knowledge, your understanding of the facts. और हमेशा counter narrative देना ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप elite dominant narrative को challenge कर रहे होते हैं. So clear-cut communication, narrativization, that is of importance, but also to understand that there is a lot of misinformation and disinformation rolling in. So it is very important for you to understand what information is coming, what sort of significance does it hold for the person who is giving that information. Uske objectives kya hai? What benefit would he or she get out of it?